Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you my menu plan and my grocery haul for the week. So I just got back from Walmart and we went to BJ's Warehouse just as a stop, just to see what they have. Tell me you do that too, because sometimes we do that and then we walk out of there, $30 later, just because we had to see what they had. So alright, so I have my list over here, so I'm just going to look over here so I don't have to move and we can kind of just get through this really quick. So here's my menu plan for the week. We're going to have beef and bean burritos, chicken and stuffing in the crock pot, super good. I have sloppy joes. We're going to have a turkey breast in the crock pot as well. I may throw that in the Instant Pot or the air fryer. I don't know. We'll make it. I'll show you which one I bought. You can kind of, it's super easy to make. And either variation, so good, comes out nice and juicy in the crock pot if you decide to make it that way. Also, I'm going to be making up a batch of my stuffed pepper soup. I'm pretty sure that you can find that recipe on my channel down below. I'll try to remember to put it in the notes, but if not, just search for it. You'll be able to find that super quick. And then I have a backup spaghetti, just in case I don't feel like making one of those other things, or if I just need to throw something on quicker. So that's going to be my menu plan this week. Super easy. I have a new soup recipe that I'm going to try to make, but if I don't make it, then I have my stuffed pepper soup as a backup. I'll probably make that earlier in the week so that I can kind of snack on that throughout the week. All right, so let me turn you around, show you what I got at the grocery store. I did scan it for the purple plan, so you'll be able to see that. But a lot of the times, if it's scanning for points, it's going to be the same points on all three plans anyway. So let me turn you around and show you what I got. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. So let me show you what I got. All right, so I needed to pick up some Doritos for my granddaughter. 5 points per serving on that. My husband likes these chips. I think you've seen these several times in my grocery hauls. Those barbecue chips are 5 SmartPoints. Did I tell you guys the story that anytime we go to Canada, we try to take some better made chips with us because they don't have them over there? So, little known fact, I think they're also made in Michigan. Found some Joseph pita bread. I like to have these just as wraps. Peanut butter and jelly, turkey, whatever the case may be, so good. So got 2 packs of those. These do scan in at 1 SmartPoint. I needed some hamburger buns for the sloppy joes. These are 4 SmartPoints each, so not too bad on those. Grabbed a bag of potatoes. Potatoes are 0 on the purple plan. I want to say they're like 5 points for a medium one. Don't quote me on that for the blue and the green. I needed some Velveeta shredded cheese. I would have liked to have found, it's one of those days. I would have liked to have found the Kraft fat-free cheese, but since I didn't, this is 2 SmartPoints for I think a quarter cup. Yep, a quarter cup, so not bad. I'll take this and use that this week. Here is the turkey breast that I picked up. I don't think there's any sugar or anything in this. I'm going to call this 0 SmartPoints, even if it scans. I'm not scanning it. I'm not going to use the gravy packet. So this is the one that I'm using, and it is, I don't know the size on it. Maybe it was on the other side. Hold on, let me flip it again for you. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, 48 ounces, 3 pounds. So I guess that was right here. But super easy. It's nice to have this just so you can throw it in and have a super easy dinner for the week. I needed some mixed veggies for that new soup recipe if I have a chance to try it. Crinkle cut fries. These are usually 4 SmartPoints, I think. Oh, these are the badder ones. I'll scan this. I'll put it across the screen. I didn't realize they were the badder ones. These are not my favorite, but I just grabbed fries. I may just go ahead and use the potatoes and cut up and save these for when we have company. Package of frozen corn, 0 SmartPoints on blue and on purple. These will cost you points on the green plan. I needed some green peppers for my stuffed pepper soup, so I got those. I grabbed some Vidalia onions because I have a couple of recipes that I can use onions in, so I needed those. I needed some chicken bouillon, chicken broth, so I'm just going to make my own using this Better Than Bouillon. This is one of my favorite ones. Now, when we are camping, My son-in-law made this. He made Nashville hot chicken sandwiches, and this is the. I'm hoping this is the seasoning that he bought, but super good. It is hot, so go sparingly on this sauce or on the spice because it is hot. But I was happy to be able to see this in the store today, so I just grabbed some so I have it for the future. I needed tomato soup and petite diced tomatoes for my soups this week, and I didn't scan the tomato soup because I'm just using that as an ingredient, and I'll work that out when I make the recipe. I needed some green beans, so I grabbed those. I was out of pineapple slices, so I got pineapple slices, and I did see the tidbits while I was there, so we went ahead and picked those up too. I just basically use these for snacking, or I use them in my candy apple salad. Grabbed some more mashed potatoes because my husband likes these. There are 4 SmartPoints on those, so not too bad on those. Needed some bananas, so I picked up some green bananas because this is the way I like them. Just a little bit riper, so in the next day or two they'll be perfect. I grabbed some Granny Smith apples because I've been craving my Samoa apple slices. So I had everything except for the Granny Smith apples for those. Another recipe, you'll find that one on my channel. You can search for that, or like I said, I'll try to find that and put it in the comments. Just regular snacking apples. These were Ambrosia apples. I don't know if I've had these before, but they look pretty good, and they were nice and they're nice and firm. So I like a nice tart apple. I'm hoping that's what they turn out to be. Grab some fresh mild salsa at BJ's. This one is really, really good, so we'll be having that later this week. Premium romaine salad and romaine lettuce. I just figured maybe I could get some salads down this week. I've been slacking in the salad department. And I also grabbed some tomatoes. So this, and this all came from BJ's, along with some oven roasted turkey breast. This scans at 1 point as well. I got some Velveeta slices because this is my favorite sliced cheese right now. 1 SmartPoint per slice. You cannot go wrong with that. You guys seen the theme? I got the Velveeta shreds and I got the Velveeta slices. I'm a Velveeta girl. My husband takes sandwiches for work, so I got him some hard salami, and just in case you wanted to know, 4 SmartPoints for that. 5 slices, just in case you were wondering, for the hard salami. And then I also picked up this honey roasted turkey breast before I knew we were going to BJ's, and this is scanning at 1 point. So that's my grocery haul this week and my menu. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of the recipes that I talked about today, whether it be the candy apple salad, the Samoa apples, so good. Or, what else did I say I was making? Oh, my stuffed pepper soup. I know that's on my channel too. All right, so with that said, I'm signing off from here. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next video.